Hi everybody, welcome to Why Digitally channel with me Shravani. Today we're going to learn about public speaking and also I'm going to give you tips to polish your speaking style. Whether we're talking in a team meeting or presenting in front of an audience, we all have to speak in public from time to time. We can do this well or we can do this badly, and the outcome strongly affects the way the people think about us. This is why public speaking causes so much anxiety and concern. With a confident public speaking style, you can communicate ideas and information well and support your work initiatives. When you speak before a group in a formal meeting or give a presentation, you'll use many of the same communication techniques employed in one-on-one conversations. The good news is that with thorough preparation and practice, you can overcome your nervousness and perform exceptionally well. Even if you don't need to make regular presentations in front of a group, there are plenty of situations where good public speaking skills can help you advance your career and create opportunities. In short, being a good public speaker can enhance your reputation, boost your self-confidence, and open up countless opportunities. However, while good skills can open doors, poor ones can close them. For example, your boss might decide against promoting you, but after sitting through a badly delivered presentation, you might lose a valuable new contract by failing to connect with a prospect during a sales pitch, or you could make a poor impression with your new team because you trip over your words and don't look people in the eyes. So make sure that you learn proper speaking skills and you learn how to speak well. Brushing up on your public speaking skills is very important. Here are some suggestions to build your skill level and confidence when speaking at meetings and giving presentations. Don't memorize the speech. Use an outline or notes if you need to do so. Memorizing a speech can be a problem if you are interrupted or if circumstances require you to shorten or lengthen the speech. Develop a strong beginning for the talk. Engage the audience's interest right away, right from the beginning. Don't rush through your speech or presentation. If you speak too quickly, listeners will clue into the fact that you very much want to finish the talk. And you also have to vary your tone of voice. Don't speak in a monotone throughout a speech or presentation. Also, watch your audience's reaction. Monitor the attention level of your audience. If you seem to be losing your listeners, bring up a dramatic point to regain their interest. Support your message. Support your message with visual aids. You always have to use effective visuals which allows you to illustrate and prove your statements, and also opt for simple language. You always have to use short sentences and small words. Emphasize your key points. Repeat important details and use examples to help explain them properly. And then use a strong ending. Leave the group thinking about what you had to say. So these are few suggestions which you have to make a note of and practice a lot. So now I'm going to give you few tips on how to improve your speaking skills. Plan appropriately. You always have to think of the content and plan the speech very carefully. Pay attention to body language. As we all know, in the communication process, non-verbal communication plays a very important role. So you always have to concentrate on your body language. For example, you always have to make good eye contact with your audiences. And also you'll always have to make sure you are moving your hands in a right way while speaking. So these are few simple body languages which will definitely make a big difference in the way you are speaking. So you always have to pay attention to your body language. Think positively. You always have to have a positive attitude while speaking. So when you are speaking in public, you always have to look confident. So that comes only when you think positive. Watch recordings of your speeches. You always have to record your speech and watch yourself before making any public presentation or public appearance. So you always have to make sure you record your speech and then watch it and then correct yourself. So these are few simple tips you can use to polish your public speaking skills and build your confidence in communicating effectively in public. So this brings us to the end of this session today. I hope these suggestions and tips are helpful for you to improve and to polish your public speaking skills. Thank you for watching us and have a good day. Please subscribe to our channel.